Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be talking about on how does Discord make money. So in my previous video I talked about Discord Nitro. When you buy subscription, basically you're paying Discord money, right? And a lot of people has Nitro. It's not like Nitro's a very rare thing. Trust me, amongst all the people I know, 90% of them have Discord Nitro. I myself used to have Discord Nitro, but recently I stopped because I'm not really using it as much as I was, and it's kind of a waste of money for me. Over here, you can see Discord's valuation. It increased from 1.6 billion to 2 to 3.5 to 7. Well, there's also another reason for this huge jump, like 3.7 to 3.5 to 7. Damn, that's because, ever since COVID hit, the use of Discord has been increasing because people want to connect with their friends, people want to connect with people they know, and everyone wants to style up their profile. And hence, more people are joining Discord, more people are buying Nitro, more games are releasing, and every game that releases, they have their own Discord server. For example, you have a Valorant Discord server. I'm going to show you guys right now. I'm going to go here and explore public servers, gaming, Valorant server. This is the Apex Legends server. They put it as Acorn Legends because of April Fools. Mr. Beast has his own server. Fortnite, Rainbow Six Siege, Tarkov, Lost Ark. This is a new game, and look at that. And Genshin Impact. I mean, people know this game. I hope you guys play it. If you don't, try it out. Genshin Impact is a great game. But I'm gonna go back to the point. People are, there's games that's coming out, and they're also paying this premium to Discord. As you see, they're Discord partner, and then this is verified and partnered, verified, partnered. So basically, it's like this advertisement kind of thing. So from these companies, Discord also gets a bit of money, and that's basically it. It's Nitro, this partnership, and all this. This is how Discord earns their money, and that's why their valuation is going double. That is double in 2020 to 2021. That is double the valuation. It's all because of all this. People are getting Discord Nitros. People are the game companies are partnering up with them. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.